Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 joystick not controlling the gimbal. Now, I recently ran into this issue just because I was new to using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So as you can see here, as I start to press the joystick, it only zooms. And so I recently ran into this issue. How do you actually go ahead and fix this? Well, as simple as it sounds, what you actually have to do is that on the right-hand side of the screen, you're going to see these arrows. You can see that it's currently grayed out. So kind of think of that as a way in which you're in the zoom mode. So if you click on it again, you can see that the joystick is now going to control the tilt axis of the gimbal. So now it actually goes ahead and tilts. So you might have mistakenly pressed this side option here. So you toggle this on, now it's going to control the zoom, as you can see. But then to toggle it off, you click on it again, and now it's going to control the gimbal. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 joystick not controlling the tilt. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.